Richard, this phenomenon has been probably one of the most notable trends over the last year in technology specifically. What parts are still part of that momentum trade and could have that momentum going forward?
Well, Dom, nice to see you again. I think you use the phrase arms race. And I think the bursting of the hype around ChatGPT and the reality that we've seen around OpenAI and its corporate governance in the last week or so raises the reality that we're looking at not a sprint, but a marathon. But let me put some numbers around that marathon. For the big five tech companies, CapEx is going from 160 billion this year to 190 billion next year. That's a 20% growth. R&D is going from $215 billion to $230 billion. That's a 9% growth. And so you really are seeing just incredible amounts of capital put to work here to kind of corner the market in compute capacity, and also to make all of the AI that's used internally at these companies, and make no mistake, they are all AI companies today, they make that internal AI capacity available for third parties and to commercialize it for the rest of the world.
In your mind, what mega cap companies, we've just shown a list of some of the names that have been associated with that artificial intelligence trade: Meta Platforms, Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet. Among those, do you think that there is right now a clear winner, or one that you think could be the one to watch out for, a la ChatGPT, and what the momentum could bring for it?
So I think it's a mistake to try to look at the list and pick out one clear winner like it's a horse race. You're not going to have a sort of win, show, place, kind of a rank order. All of these companies are going to benefit from this trend. If there's one company you'd single out as being an outlier on this list, although it is also near a 52-week high, it's Alphabet. And if you go back a year ago, the narrative was all about how Alphabet was late and their own Bard and then into Gemini was being delayed. And now I think with what's going on with OpenAI and Microsoft and some legitimate concerns about safety, and also the legitimate time it takes to commercialize AI, maybe now people look at Alphabet and say, well, their cautiousness or their deliberate approach to releasing new models into the market and a family of models over the course of 24 is probably more appropriate, is more the right one, not simply to rush things out and see how they go.
And Richard, before we let you go really quickly, the one name that wasn't on that list I mentioned was NVIDIA, arguably
Absolutely.
the biggest play on AI. It's the single best performing stock in the S&P 500, up 227% so far this year. What's the prospect for NVIDIA and other chip companies?
Well, we've had a buy in NVIDIA for some time, and we're still buyers. And I think clearly right now they have pricing power on their side and tremendous demand, notwithstanding the question marks around whether or not they'll be able to continue selling chips into China. When you step back and look at it, the big questions in investors' minds are what happens to NVIDIA in 25 and beyond, and whether there's going to be a natural digestion phase of all of this compute capacity that's being absorbed into the market right now. And, clearly NVIDIA is not without competitors itself. You have AMD, you have Intel, which needs to revive its own business. So these markets will be very competitive, but it's a mistake to think about them as simply there is going to be only one winner. Again, when you look at and you see the charts you're putting up on Intel and AMD,
Sure.
All of these companies will benefit from these trends, and they're all committing huge amounts of money to R&D and CapEx right now to make sure they profit from them.